Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Wallpaper or Themes. This puts lock screen controls within reach. Tap Lock Screen to view active themes and pick the one you want to disable. Once done, make sure to check whether the theme is applied to both home and lock screens. If it is, deselect Lock Screen or choose Default. You're preventing the theme from loading on the lock screen, so the process is immediate. Now you'll dive into Themes My Stuff to find the active package and inspect its lock screen assets. Tap the theme, then use Apply or Options to remove lock screen elements. Choose Default or a plain theme if you want a quick revert. Make sure to preview so you see the exact lock screen outcome before confirming. If the theme bundles lock and home together, pick a different theme that separates them, or manually clear lock screen wallpaper. Finish by rebooting the phone to ensure the system unloads the previous lock screen assets. This often resolves lingering visuals. If the theme still shows, go to Settings, Apps, Themes, or Samsung Themes and clear cache and data, then reapply your chosen default. Once done, make sure to sign out and back into your Samsung account or check for system UI updates if issues persist. If nothing works, reset lock screen settings. This resets only lock screen choices, not your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.